Started. Sarah.
Close.
Stephanie. Okay. There we go.
So we think it's gonna be shaky.
Probably. I don't know where to put it, so.
Do you have any subscribers?
4?
They're gonna love us.
Okay. Okay, let me see.
That looks like
Okay,
it'll
sit with me. I think it's actually getting us. Woo! Okay. We'll get more subscribers because
We're sweet.
we could end up on the homepage.
Oh.
I'm like the recommended for you.
Could you pick a better song?
It is a good song. Funhouse by Pink.
Hey, you have a red pink top.
That's what I was wearing today.
Oh, it's pink. Never mind.
She's dumb. She's colorblind.
It's the lighting.
8, 7, 6,
At least I'm
5,
not regular
4,
dumb.
3, 2. Oh. I guess 1. Damn.
She's not kidding. She's always like this too.
Ow. I think it's stuck if it's totally missing us.
We should check it, and then post another video after. Check out another one, or wait, or what? How do I phrase that? Check back for another video.
We're gonna make it in like
I don't want to do this.
a minute. Yes, you do. So if I go onto YouTube and see that you've done them with Carly, kicking some ass.
Ooh, kicking ass.
She likes to. Never mind. We'll just leave it at that. Bye.
Tell the world whatever you want to.
Say bye.